This tutorial guides you through using the Goal Builder feature to create and customize financial goals. You will learn how to set goal types, amounts, and schedules to effectively plan your savings. On your online banking home screen, click on the Goal Builder button to expand. Click the Get Started button to initiate the goal creation process. The Goal Builder prompt will display an explanation of the Getting Started process. Click the Get Started button again on the online banking page to continue setting up your goal. To begin, select an account to fund your goals. Click on the account, and if desired, you can also set a reserve amount. This will notify you when your remaining balance falls below that level. Click the Confirm button to proceed with the selected account for your goal. To help tailor your goal to your needs, you can select from a list of topics or create your own goal. With the goal you would like to create selected, click on Next. Next, we will enter the goal amount, the date we wish to start saving for this goal, the target date by which we hope to achieve it, and the frequency with which we would like to set aside money towards the goal. Enter your goal amount, such as $100, to define the savings target for your financial goal. Once you have entered your goal amount, selected a start date, and chosen a target date, you will see a graph that illustrates how much you need to save for your goal based on your chosen frequency. Click the Next button to proceed to the next step in the goal setup process. In the Set Goal Rules section, you may designate to your goal today to give yourself a head start. This is optional. You will also decide whether to schedule recurring designations or set a percentage of each account deposit to contribute to your goal and set when these designations occur. Once everything has been set, click Next. Finally, review your goal details and click the Confirm button to finalize and save your goal, completing the setup process. Your goal has been successfully created and is now visible on your online banking home screen. That's it! You now know how to manage your account anytime, anywhere with BayCoast Bank Online Banking. If you haven't done so already, download the BayCoast Bank mobile app. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, managing your money has never been easier. Thank you for watching.